So the Avios King Twin 1700 is coming along, and we might just make the maiden for tomorrow, Easter Sunday. I've got all the control surface, highs and lows all set up. I haven't configured the Safe Select or any of the AS3X settings yet in forward programming. That will be coming shortly. But I'm going to put on the couple scale details it came with. It's got a little antenna that goes up there. It's got these little plastic little gizmos to put in the wingtips, and then it's got these guys here that go up here, one on each side. So I'm gonna whip up a batch of 5-minute 2-part epoxy and stick these guys in. Alright, whipped up a little mixture of 5-minute 2-part epoxy, and I'll probably have to mix up a couple batches because after all it's 5 minutes. It's not going to take a whole lot to hold these in place at all. That ought to be more than enough right there. There's that. Probably got enough for, or enough time rather, for this guy. I guess this is an antenna. Probably could have painted it or something. Probably could have painted it. Oh yeah, butamus. And I think it's still wet enough to put one of these guys on. And it was starting to get gooey, so we'll mix up another batch. Got the final batch whipped up. Making sure it's going to stick good in the front. You know, it's possible these little tips could take a little beating. So we'll just make sure that they're glued on there. Just like so. And I wonder what these little pieces were. It's got this other piece too of foam. I'll show you guys in a second. It's a thin strip that's kind of, you know, cut like a lightning bolt almost. And I figured out where it went. It goes on the bottom. I'll show it to you guys. I don't think I'm gonna put it on because it'll get beat up the way I need to transport it. I need to keep the landing gear up, the wingtips off, and then I'm going to set it flat in the back of my minivan that is for these airplanes only, on like a bunch of pillows or something, you know. And this piece right here, I'm pretty sure that this thing goes down. Let me flip it over real quick. Hang tight. Alright, obviously took the wingtips off, flipped it upside down. This piece here, I'm like, what is that? What is that? Well, I figured it out now. It goes right here. I think I got some polyacrylic in the holes or something, or it just needs a little trimming to make it fit right. Goes like that. No, it popped in and fit perfect. But that's how it goes, and it actually makes the plane look pretty dang good. I guess I'm going to put it on there and just see how long it lasts. Or we'll test it right now in transport mode. Yep, there it is. It doesn't hit. Sitting like that, it doesn't hit. So yeah, we'll put it in there, and hopefully it lasts. Cause it's a pretty cool scale detail that really gives it some, you know, some look. I think the whole plane just looks amazing with the wingtips on it and the props and all that. This looks great. You guys will see it tomorrow. All right, guys. Hey, happy Easter, and let's hope the weather holds out and everybody can go flying, and I can go flying. I've been looking forward to it. I want to make a day out of it, but the weather looks borderline. All right, guys. Hey, thank you. Adios.